man himself right here. What's up, dog?
I'm a little dirty out here.
Are you know? OKQ in the building. Going on YouTube, I am back with another video, man, and I know you can't tell, but it is absolutely freezing outside. You may be able to see, yeah, you can tell it's a little cold outside. Of course, got COT Hemi with me. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. He's got a giveaway, man, so definitely check out his giveaway video. But we are about to head to a few meets today. I'm gonna separate the video so you can kind of see what's what, because we're going to Detail Garage, then we got Beers and Gears, which is all exotics, and then we may, you know, link up with somebody special here shortly. And then we're gonna do a little bit of some other things, man, but let's get to it. Of course, we're gonna get down there here in about 5 minutes, show you what's out there. Let me know what your favorite car is. But again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, man. Help me get there. Now let's go. Yeah, y'all hear that? Stop the cap. Are you hungry, bro? You straight? Have you ever had this before, bro?
Say what? What is that?
It's the, I don't know, I first time ever getting it, bro. I panicked.
Why are you trying new stuff?
All right, you guys, we are at the meet. Ooh, that sun. All right, you can see good bit of cars, man. We're gonna go check a few of them out. Wow, I cannot figure out the sun right now. We're gonna go check out a few of the cars. Of course, you can see the beast is out. Yeah, we're gonna go check out a few of the cars, and of course, let me know what your favorite one is, man. There's classics, like literally everything here, man. But let's go. Nice. Out here, you see the tires. Got a couple scat packs, shakers. Don't see many of those, man. Don't see many of those. Great. Huge fan of this color, man. Huge fan of the color. A couple Subarus. These are crazy. I've always loved this body style. Always loved this body style. And of course, you got a GTR. Super clean, man. Got the carbon fiber sides, or the quarter panels. And of course, got another one. Man, this is what I want. This color, but I want to do something a little crazy with it. That's crazy. Got a nice Mustang, Corvette on the way, man. Corvette is on the way, especially the C7, man. C7 is on the way. Got a nice orange scat pack. And here you go. We have a bagged Cadillac, man. This is clean. I'm not even gonna lie. This is clean. Super clean. And then, man, there is so many Mustangs here today, you guys. It is crazy. So I'm gonna kind of brush over a few. Got a Coyote. A whole lot of 5.0s, man. I've seen literally almost this entire row is a 5.0. But that's the best color Mustang they make. I don't know what color it is, but that is definitely the best color. Super clean. Y'all see the hood? This is what's crazy. And of course, you guys know who that is.
It's just sitting on the ground.
And of course, the infamous El Gato. Super crazy. Like I said, man, 5.0s for days, literally. And then this is where head turners start on the Ferradas. You know what head turners are. It's actually the group that me and Cody are in, or CLT Hemi. But of course, oh, we got a meth kit. Got a meth kit, you guys.
That's great.
And then, of course, my guy. Y'all see it, man. It's one of my favorite Mustangs out right now, man. Favorite Mustangs out. Got Black Widow as well. And you see the reflective. And we have Pegasus.
Every time you walk by it's funny.
Now you see Pegasus, man. This thing is crazy. It's won a lot of awards. A lot of awards, man. And then, of course, the Transformers truck for the Head Turners group. Fully built up, man. All right, you guys. I don't know a lot about this one, but this is clean. So don't get on me in the comments, but this is clean. Like the paint, flake, all of it. I want to say it's an Acura NSX, but I'm not 1,000% sure. Then, of course, you have the president of NPR, man. Got a crazy ZL1. Love the carbon fiber on the hoods for the ZL1s. Got a Roush Mustang. You see the Whipple on top, man. Got a couple of 5.0s. Like I said, man, 5.0s are like out here right now. Got an old school Shelby. Oh, we got a CTSV. Dream car right here, you guys. Dream car. This is what I want. You guys hear it. Jeez. Hold on, time out. He just purged. That's next, you guys. We got the Boston set in the candy red. This thing is all done up, man. Supercharged Grand Sport. As you can see, man, it grabs everybody's attention. Crazy, even with the plexiglass hood. Appreciate it, my man. Check this out, you guys. We got a car show coming up on the 25th. That's clean, you guys. That is clean. Oh, sorry. Got a nice Lexus. He's kind of got a GTR body style almost, you guys. Of course, your LS7, man, Z06, C6. Man, these things are crazy. Six one. Look at that. Look how clean this is, man. Clean. Back it goes. All right, you guys. Australian is out here. Right, you see the Whipple. Supercharger, sorry. Best color out that they carried. This in the orange. Super fan of that, man. Got a couple Miatas. Got a couple Miatas, man. Oh man, I forgot what this is called, you guys, but I want you to see the hoods that they're starting to put on these and have aftermarket parts for are crazy. And then I want you to check out this Golf GTI wrap in the green metallic. And the details, so you can tell he cracked his headlights open to get that painted. That's clean right here, you guys. And of course, got a couple Hondas. Huge fan of the gray, especially in that one. Even got a Porsche. Looks like we got a bagged F-150, you guys. That's crazy. I don't know, lower maybe. I don't know about bagged, but lower for sure.
White Hyundai Sonata Virginia plates. White Hyundai Sonata Virginia plates, anybody?
Got a red Z01, and I'm a huge fan of the Canards, or whatever you want to call those. Everybody's got a different term for them, man. Then of course we got a nice Jeep. A couple old schools, you guys. Oh, that green is crazy. Let me know what you think about that. That green is crazy. Got another Z01. Porsche with some details. With some details, you guys. Got an R8 with the red diamond stitch seats. Of course, a naturally aspirated V10, you guys. Clean. This used to be one of my dream cars, but now I want an RS7. But Audi is definitely top notch for these things, man. We got a Scat. You guys seen plenty of those. Got a C8. C8. I don't even know what color this is, but it's like a gray metallic. Mid-engine. Super clean, man. Of course, you have the green 392. And of course, your Hellcat with the APR splitter. And if you don't know, that's what's coming next for the car, man. I have a carbon fiber APR splitter that Scatter put me on, man. Shout out to him. And then of course, a couple Dodges always parked together, man. Got a nice blue Hemi with a wrapped hood. Got a Daytona. Then you can check out the decal on top, you guys. And then you check out my recent video you saw. She just picked this up yesterday. You can see she just got the lights done, man. Just got the lights done. And they got a new 392 I have not seen yet. And it actually has the Angry Bee
Yeah, dude,
on
I
it.
woke up at 7:50 and looked at my phone and I was like,
And it's low-key kind of clean, you guys. Let me know what you think about this one, man. I like how it's printed, or it's a printed wrap. And the colors definitely go well. And you can check out the yellow wrap on there.
no, it's service right now, and that guy's trying to get rid of the car.
Got a wide body. I think I know who this is, man. Is it? Yeah. Make sure you follow my man. Make sure you follow my man. Hey, I like this. Super fan of the machine rims. And then wait till this thing starts up when he leaves, man. This is probably the loudest car out here. It is ridiculous. He's even got the Hoosiers with the wells, man. Those are my favorite wells that are out, but they're like 1,000 plus per rim, man. And of course, another CTSV. I don't know what it is, but the CTSV is just different for me. And then I saw this. These rims are crazy. Look at the flake. Flake is out of this world. And then of course the big block Whipple. Wow. I'll take this. This is the only Chevy I'll take out here right now, outside of the Corvettes. That's clean. And of course, got a couple Nismos. But if you've seen this car in previous videos, right here, this thing flies. This thing is crazy fast. So check out my last video. This thing flies. Z06. Looks like his wife has something similar. Hey, that's Brett that flew past him. story short, we was on the highway. Oh, he did not. He just. Oh, he. All right. All right. All right. Yeah, I might have put my car up. And I want to try to check this out.
On the highway, we also got smacked right here. I did.
Hey, we don't do me like that.
No good.
That's clean though. He done put some effort into this one. I'll take that. And of course, look like we got a Viper. Got a blue Viper. Of course, the natural stripes that is always gonna look good on them, man. So Dodge can make a light car. Ooh, I like that. I like the license tag, you guys. Oh, look at the dog, you guys. Hey, what's up? In another Z06. Clean. So what's your favorite car, sir? Hey, you tripping, bro? Did you see that CTSV?
I can go back to the future about whatever I want.
All right, fat. You saw that CTSV though, the white one?
I did.
You see it purge?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, you guys finally made it to the other side of the meet where you can see some more. Because it's pretty packed. I'm not gonna lie. A nice C8. I'm gonna get over here shortly, man, because you can see cars are everywhere. So bear with me, and I'm trying not to run through them. SS Grand Sport.
Oh yeah.
Got a blacked out badge BMW. I like those, man. Okay. See what I'm saying? They got like the GTR vibe. I don't know what it is, but the F series of the Lexuses got it. And I like the work done to this, man. Underneath. I like the color too. I like the color. Same thing here. Carbon fiber hydro dip. We got a Whipple. And then of course, man, like I said, man, 5.0s, GT350s. If these weren't manual, I can't lie. If these were not manual, these are the best cars out if they were automatic, but they manual. But let's see. Hondas, I think those are the 2000s. Yeah, S2000. Miata. We're all set up to race. Got a SRT 392 in the Plum Crazy. This is rare. Rare to see. Especially in that color. Got a nice STI wrap. And it's a clean wrap, so you can tell it was definitely printed correct. That's clean, guys. That's clean. That is clean. And then this is what I've been waiting on. Getting to these Corvettes, man. Got a Grand Sport. Black rims, red brakes. Super clean details, man. And I want to say these are all Grand Sports. I think there's a Z01 maybe. Z51. That's clean, you guys. I'm a huge Corvette fan. So Corvette, Ken, you watching this, man, buy me one for my birthday, something like that. Oh, he's closing it. Oh, but you can see the details. One of my favorite colors in Corvette. Check this out, you guys. This is the new BMW, and you can tell by the huge grille. Yeah, you can tell. The new one. I'll take one of these. I want to say it's an M. So it's a 440 with an M series package. That's clean. That is clean. Faster than me. That's joking. That's clean. You guys, look at the details on that. Wow. And he's still rolling around with the doors up. You can see it pulling up, man. Crazy. I think a lot of these Corvettes are about to bounce, so I'm gonna try to get, you know, what it sounds like. This thing came in and I just missed it. It's got a Whipple can. This thing is crazy. And then of course you can see the paint flaking that with the lights. Even the rims got a slight hue of purple in them. Is that a Supra?
Slow.
I bet you want to race it.
I bet y'all will. I bet y'all
Cat, he cat.
Go hit the pink.
That thing gonna bust him.
Ooh.
If you don't know, man, he got a Hellcat.
I do.
All right. All right, he lying. Hey, don't you work at Pristine. And of course, you saw the BMW, Porsche. I'll run down here shortly, man. That's tough. That's tough. Got a Z06. Hey, we got the man. We got the man himself right here. What's up, dog?
I'm a little dirty, y'all.
Are you OKQ in the building? Got another one. Crazy M6. Crazy M6. Y'all see that, man? Ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. Got another M4 yellow details, man. Crazy. Crazy. Y'all see this thing, man.
Who's supposed to get a
Y'all
walk?
see this, man. Man himself. Now pulled up.
Oh, he about to get that.
Y'all see who it is, man.
At least like
Yeah,
the
see
inside.
who it
Jesus
is.
Christ.
Y'all see the camera. Y'all know what that means.
Oh, there.
Details. Details for sure. Craziest car out right now. Look at the details. What's up, dog?
They didn't tell me in the car.
Details, dog.
Yeah.
Details.
I'm gonna get my freaking.
Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. All of them run on E85. All of them run on E85. All of them.
Like a jet for real. Like, I was like,
Hey, his new song used to sound like that.
oh, it must be him. I got a professional washer to wash the car. That nigga ain't wash shit. He's laughing at me. Okay, you dirty ass nigga.
God. see y'all at the next meet though.
My boy. All right, bud.
I'll see y'all later.
So.
All right, you guys just saw OKQ, man. That was my special guest. We're gonna meet up with them at Beers and Gears. They gotta go find fuel. They need E85, man. And I originally thought they had some up at the Concourse Circle K, but that is race fuel, not E85. But we're gonna meet up with them at Beers and Gears, and then afterwards we'll probably hit the highway. But they gotta find fuel, or else, you know, they're gonna be as conservative as possible, man. So yeah, that car is absolutely crazy in person. Atlanta came with the BMWs, and it was wild. But you know, let me know what car you like the best, man. Of course, everybody's about to leave. I'm about to wait on CLT Hemi to come back, and of course we will get to the next meet. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man, because we are almost at 1,000. I got 3 days until I head down to Dallas. So gonna have some, you know, practice runs on the radios here shortly with Helgato. If you don't know who Helgato is, it's where is he at? Right there. So yeah, it's a wrap.